Hi, and welcome to the video training of PHP. In this video training, we will be learning how to use PHP to fetch list of banks in Brazil. This API has been provided by a website called brazilAPI.com. I hope that you will learn something and enjoy. So let's get started. Let's create a folder for our project called Brazil Banks, and let's change the permissions so we can create more files in this. And the editor I'm going to use is called Sublime. Here we get started with PHP. Response equal JSON decode true, and here we will pass file get contents function, which will make the API call. The API call will be made to the Brazil bank, Brazil API. This is the API which we will be using. Let's copy this from here, paste it in file get contents, and now we check if if the response from the API is not empty. We will create a for each loop, and here response as record, and here we start the table variable. Within the table variable we get start with table tr row column, and the first column is ISPB code ISPB. The second one is name. The third one is code, and the fourth one is full name. Okay, and here we are going to concat record td. Just copy it from here till here and paste it here. Here we are going to record ISPB, then we have name, code, and full name. And here we close the table tag and echo table and print out the table at the end. Now let's try this code in our browser. Okay, it's in tutorials PHP Brazil Banks. There's a syntax error here. Let's see where we are making a mistake. Let's try now. And you see we have the table now with the ISPB column, name column, code column, and full name column. And we have got all the lists. Let's make the table a little beautiful. So I'm going to add a in-page CSS here. Table border equals one solid black. KTTR. Oh, sorry, it's 1 pixel. That's why it wasn't showing. Okay, now you see we have the border in place, and we can further add padding or 5 pixels so it's more clearer. Yeah. So that's how you can pull data from the BrazilAPI.com using PHP and list down on your own. I have uploaded this source code on GitHub and provided the download link in the video details on YouTube channel. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.